Welcome to Lecture 7. Today, we will begin by exploring the core functions that every manager performs, starting with planning and organizing. These two are the base for all management activities. So, what are management functions? According to Fayol, there are three key functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. So, in this lecture, we will focus on the first two. Starting off with planning. Planning means deciding in advance what is to be done in the future. It involves setting goals and identifying the best way to achieve them. Every function of management begins with planning. So, why planning is important? It gives a sense of direction. It reduces uncertainty, helps coordinate efforts, and encourages new ideas. It prepares managers to face future challenges. Planning has some steps which are involved. It follows 6 key steps, starting with setting objectives, developing premises, which is having assumptions, making assumptions about the future business environment, then identifying the alternative courses of action, evaluating those alternatives, and then selecting the best one, which will be the most efficient one to reach your goal. And then we implement the plan and then we monitor it. So with that comes under the implementation and reviewing the plan. Next comes up is the function of organizing. So organizing comes after planning. It is about arranging people and resources so that plans can be implemented effectively. It creates a framework for roles and relationships. So why organizing is important? It clarifies what each person should do. It prevents duplication of efforts, ensures communications flow smoothly, and supports the growth of the organization. So there will be no wastage of resources if there will be proper organization or proper organizing. So it also has few elements, key elements under the organizing, that is division of work, which is also one of the principles of scientific management given by Taylor, departmentalization, assignment of duties, and establishment of authority relationships. So here's a quick recap. Planning sets the vision, organizing turns that vision into action. So together they ensure that the work is carried out efficiently and the goals are met. In the upcoming lecture, we will talk about staffing. We will learn how managers ensure the right people are in the right roles. Till then, thank you.